Hello and welcome to another Igloo imaging tutorial on Illustrator's new Rotate View tool. I'm in version 25.3.1. If you want to check you've got any updates, just open up an artboard and you can follow along. So the Rotate View tool is hidden under the hand tool. So if you click the hand tool, hover, there isn't a shortcut, so just select it that way. I'm using a Wacom stylus, so I'm just going to click and rotate it. And that's essentially it. If you press escape, it'll reset, so you can just do that and press escape. If you're using the trackpad, there's a 2-finger selection, so you can click and then you can use your second finger to sort of move it where you want it to be and then just let go. If you like that particular angle and you want to work on that in future, on future projects, you can go up to View and New Views, and you can save it something like Rotate 4, click OK, and then if I hit escape and reset it and I want to go back to that favorite view, I can go to View and down to Rotate 4 and it'll take me back to that exact angle. If, for example, I'm working on some packaging and I've got some text that I'd prefer to be able to see it the right way around, there are presets. So in this case I want to rotate it minus 90 degrees. So there's a little 0 degrees down here at the bottom. If I click and hold, you'll see the presets come up, so minus 90. You can see I've now zoomed in a bit on the artboard, so if I press Command 0, it'll fill the screen with the artboard. That's quite a handy one to use. So if you're at a certain angle and if you press V and select that artboard, I can press Command 0 and it'll fill the screen with that artboard. Again, if I press escape, Command 0, that's a good little shortcut as well. If you happen to be using rulers, so Command R, you'll see your rulers. If you're using guides, which is Command and colon, you'll see I've got some guides here. So if I actually rotate with these guides on, you can see the guides rotate as well. If you use grids, which is Command apostrophe, you can see the grids also rotate as well. Now, something a bit strange, if you pull in a ruler from the top, a guide, it will bring it in at the angle. So if I let go of that, you can see that it brings it in at those angles. A little bit strange to use at first, but you can still use your guides in the Rotate View. That's pretty much it for the Rotate View tool. If that was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.